Have you ever wondered how to get consistent look and feel in your Power BI charts? You can use your own theme. So let's get started. I'm going to use some sample data. Click on sample data and then load the sample data. With that, we would get the financials data into our system. Simply click on load. So the data is there. And then we can simply say close and apply. And that will bring the data into our system. So there we go. So let's create a chart first. And I'm going to drag the date and the year. And then the sales value, sum of the sales value. So we get a simple chart. I can drag the quarter also. And that will give different colors for each quarter for that year. So with that, we can go and change the themes by applying different readily available themes. But what if you want to create your own personal theme for your corporate needs or for your own company's colors which you want to use? You can go and adjust each of these colors. And then the sentiment colors, which is for negative, positive, or neutral, and the divergent colors. Change whatever you want to change, and then save. And then save it with a name. So it's a JSON file, which gets created. And save it. Now, our theme is ready to use. So let's see how we can use it. So you simply say View, click on Browse for Themes, click on the themes which you have created, and then the themes get applied, and you can see that suddenly the colors have changed. And any charts which you already have would change its color. And if you create a new chart, that will also use the consistent look and feel based on your custom theme. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.